This is Anil and welcome to the PHP series. Now we are going to learn what is a cookie. We already see that cookies are available in the website, and they told us, I understand the cookies, accept the cookies like this, and if you don't accept the cookies, it will show you the cross button where you can click and close it. So we'll understand what is a cookie. A cookie is often used to identify a user. A cookie is a small file that the server embeds on the user computer. Each time the same computer requests a page with a browser, it will send the cookie to. With PHP, you can both create and retrieve cookie values. Okay, so with the definition, I understand what is a cookie and what is the use of cookie. So let's check set cookie function. The syntax of set cookie function is set cookie. Inside this, the name, comma to separate, and the value, comma expire, comma path, then comma domain, then comma secure, and then comma HTTP only. Okay, so here we will understand what is path of your file, and domain. You will be familiar with google.com, youtube.com, or coldwarindia.com. So this .com, .net, .org and .xyz like this is called domain. Okay, and it starts with HTTPS protocols, and then there is a URL name, that is domain name .com or .net like this. Okay, comma secure, and then HTTP only. Okay, as I told you, HTTP is hypertext transfer protocol. Now we will check the example of cookies. This is the example of cookies. Cookie name and cookie value are two variables. Inside name there is a user, and inside value there is John Doe. I set the cookie with a cookie name. Inside this cookie value, that is user, comma John Doe, comma time plus 86400 asterisk 30. Okay, comma inside this slash. So 86400 stands for 1 day, and asterisk 30 stands for into 30, 1 day into 30 like this. And then PHP close and HTML started, and again in the body part I insert PHP if statement is set cookie name. If is set cookie name, then it will print cookie named user is not set like this. Okay, or else it will print cookie user is set. And the second one in the else is echo value is cookie name, so it will print value is user like this. So like this the cookie topic is over, and we will continue with session topics.